Store leftover sealing or cold lay tarmac material in a way that preserves its workability and prevents contamination. For loose or resealable bags, squeeze out as much air as possible and fold the top tightly. Then use strong tape to create an airtight seal. For rigid containers, transfer the product into a clean, dry plastic or metal bucket with a snug lid and press a layer of plastic wrap directly onto the material before capping to reduce air exposure. Keep all stored material in a cool and dry location away from direct sunlight and heat sources, because elevated temperatures can cause binding or premature curing, while moisture promotes lumping and contamination. Avoid placing containers on concrete floors where ground moisture can wick through. Elevate on a pallet or wooden board instead. Do not allow the material to freeze, since freeze-thaw cycles damage the binder and compromise future performance. If freezing is unavoidable, move the product to the warmest available spot and plan to use it immediately after thawing. Label each container with the product type, date of opening, and estimated remaining quantity so you can select the oldest stock first and avoid long-term storage beyond the manufacturer recommended period. When ready to reuse, break up any surface skin carefully with a gloved trowel and mix thoroughly to restore consistency, discarding any material that smells off, has grit from contamination, or has hardened. Common issues include moisture contamination that creates hard lumps, and the fix is to remove the lumps and sift the remainder or discard severely affected product while improving storage dryness going forward. Another frequent problem is oxidation or skinning from air exposure, which you can mitigate by minimizing headspace, using an inert barrier such as plastic wrap, and transferring to smaller containers as quantities dwindle. A third concern is accidental freezing, which makes the binder separate and weak. Prevent this by storing inside heated sheds or garages when possible, and using frozen material only if a full homogeneous mix is achieved after thawing and it passes a small test patch. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for surfacing and repair jobs, and it also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for work. We host a discussion community where we and our users share practical tips, storage hacks, and project experiences.